My name is Daniel Zach. I work in the technical support department at ShopSabre. My job consists mainly of me educating and teaching our customers of how to operate, maintain, and use our machines to the best of their ability. Customers will call in and they'll ask me to help troubleshoot maybe some problems that they're having with their machines, or if it's like cut quality issues, maybe they're trying to improve some better processes. I get to do a lot of things that a lot of other people in the building don't really get to do. I can travel, I go on site, I teach our training class that we hold here monthly. We do a lot of different jobs in our department, and I'm happy to say that I do pretty much all of them. I was working for a building maintenance company and I was laid off from COVID. Instead of going back to work at the building maintenance company, I looked for a job that was a little bit more mentally stimulating. So I applied to ShopSabre, and I came in for my interview, and my current supervisor originally thought that I was applying for a assembler position. He's like, well, there's an opening in technical support. Would you like to try to apply for that? And based off my technical knowledge and my current technical background, I was able to secure a position working for technical support and haven't really looked back since. Whenever a customer calls in, they're relying on somebody actually being in the chair, helping them to better understand their machine or better understand some processes that maybe they're having issues with. My job helps that customer get their machine up and running very quickly. It makes them feel like they're actually talking to somebody, not just somebody off somewhere else that has no clue what they're talking about and just reading from a script. Anytime that a customer calls in, the number one thing that they tell me is that they were willing to stand behind their machine 100% all the way. So whether it's 20 years old or if it's brand new right off the line, our customers tell us time and time again, nobody really beats our support, and that just gives me a really big sense of accomplishment and makes me feel like I'm doing my job and doing my job well.